Hello everyone, this is Alexandra and this is my Module 2 Explain video. In this video, I will be discussing the process of calling a method onto an object. And in this case, the object is going to be each of these turtles here in this new world that I created. I also created this method here, draw spiral, and this is going to be the small picture that the turtles draw when the method is called upon them. First, I want to look at the method header. Right here, public. This describes the visibility of the method. So basically that means that this can be accessed outside of the file. Void is the return type. Draw spiral is the method name, and it's always best to pick a method name that reflects exactly what the method is doing. Here is the parameter list. I've included two parameters. One is integer size, the other is color. So this is just the method header itself inside the brackets. Basically what methods do is call the calling object to perform a method or command, and the calling object in this case is this. When one of the turtles, when the method is called upon one of the turtle will be the one to perform the command inside the method. So right here is basically where we have the turtle drawing the shape, and here is where we are going to set its color to whatever we specify in the parameter list. Back to here, this is where we're gonna test the method on each of the turtles. So I've already gone ahead and pasted it in the code. I've decided to call draw spiral onto each of these turtles, and I've used different sizes for each one in the size parameter, but I've decided to turn all of them to the color cyan. So I'm gonna go ahead and compile and run. So here we go. Those are the spirals. Alright, so basically you can see here that each turtle was turned to the color cyan, and they were all drawing the same picture, but definitely in different sizes. So the method definitely worked. You can also change the parameters here for different effects. So for example, we can turn the turtles a different color. So you see that here. I hope this helped and explained how to call a method on a turtle. Have a great day.